Hello friends, I am going to discuss about the topic Introduction to LISP. What is LISP? LISP, an acronym for List Processing, is a functional programming that language that was designed for easy manipulation of data stream. Every Lisp procedure is a function, and when called it returns a data object as its value. It is also commonly referred to as function, even though they may have side effects. Some of the features of Lisp: it is a machine independent language, and it is a iterative design methodology, and it is easily extensible, and it allows us to create and update the program of the application dynamically, and it provides a high level debugging, and it supports object oriented programming, and also it supports all kinds of data types like object structures, list, vectors, adjustable arrays, set, tree, hash tables, and symbols. It is an expression based language. It can support different decision making statements like if, when, case, and conditions. It will also support different iterating statement like do, loop, loop for, do times, and do list. It will support input and output function. By using Lisp, we can also create your own functions. And next, why we are going for Lisp? Because it's the most widely used AI programming language, because it's good for writing production software, and it also got lots of features other languages does not have the features of Lisp, because you can write new programs and extend old programs. And what are the benefits of Lisp? It is easily access to powerful and easy to integrate macros. The language itself is programmable to meet nearly any need, operates on most platforms, and many find programs in Lisp to be faster with smaller code footprints. And next, coming to who are the people those are using Lisp. Lisp is used within academia for a variety of functions ranging from basic programming and AI to machine learning and quantum computing. Lisp dialects are used by the followings: symbolic AI programmers, quantum computing professionals, embedded system programmers, those seeks a quick scripting, and small or understaffed programming teams. Next, coming to how the environmental setup we are using for Lisp. Lisp need two softwares. One is text editor and Lisp executor. Text editor, this will be used to type your program. And the example of few editors includes Windows, Notepad, OS, Edit Command, Brief, Epsilon, Emacs, and Vim or Y. Name and version of text editor can vary on different operating system. For example, Notepad will be used on Windows, and Vim or Y can be used on Windows as well as Linux or Unix. The files you create with an editor are called source files and contains program source code. The source files for Lisp programs are named with the extension .lisp. Write a program in a text editor and save in the file as .lisp, and finally execute the program in the Lisp executor. Next, coming to Lisp executor, the source code written in the source file in the human readable source from your computer program, it needs to be executed to turn into a machine language so that your CPU can actually execute the program as per instructions given. This Lisp programming language will be used to execute your source code into final executable program. I assume you have basic knowledge about the programming language. And then Lisp is the GNU, graphical neural user, common Lisp multi-architectural compiler used for setting up Lisp in Windows. The Windows version emulates a Unix environment, MINGW under Windows. The installer takes this and automatically adds Lisp to the path variables. And this is the Lisp for Windows. You have to download the Lisp from following link, and it creates a shortcut in the start menu by default by the line by line interpreter. This is the Lisp setup. Once you install, and how to use Lisp. During installation, Lisp is automatically added to your path variable if you select the options. This means that you can be simply open new command prompt window and type Lisp to bring up the compiler. To run a .lsp or lsp file, simply use clsp hello.lisp. Lisp expressions are called symbolic expressions or S expressions. The S expressions are composed of three valid objects: atom, list, and strings. Any expression is a valid program. Lisp programs run either on an interpreter or a compiled code. The interpreter checks the source code in a repeated loop called a read, evaluate, print loop. It reads the program, evaluates, and prints the value written by the program. And some of the Lisp types, one is array, hash tables, streams, structure, functions, including lambda functions. Once we install the Lisp, we can have a data types using the Lisp. Thank you.